One of the exciting features about our DIY design space is that you're able to start your project from scratch. You can either select a room shape or you can even draw out the walls that you have within your home right here on the floor plan. Once you place any architecture, you're allowed to explore the different cabinets that are offered in the specific finish selection that you chose. If you ever start wondering what it might be look like when you're combining these, you can simply select the option to view in 3D. This will show you your project as you're creating it so that you can see in real time any changes that you'd like to make or things that you've been considering that you might want to rule out before you reach out to one of our designers.